everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this faux knitted pattern. It's very simple and you can use it for a bunch of different things, so let's get right into it. So to start, you're going to want to roll out 5 strands of clay, 4 which are the same length and then 1 which is a fair bit longer. And what you're going to do with each of them is just grab it, fold it in half, and then start twisting them. Next, you're just going to want to take 2 of the shorter ones and kind of just stick them together. Do that with the other 2 as well. And then I'm just going to trim them down to the size that I want. Little rope and just wrap it around the edge. Once done that, you can bake it. So this is what your final product should look like. You can change it up by using different colors, making it different sizes to really fit whatever you are trying to make with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.